Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Benassi JDI. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Benassi JDI slides, and this pair is in a UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the white Varsity Royal colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by opening the slide flap to reveal the pair of slides inside. Let's slide them out from the box packaging and setting the box down on the left hand side of the table and setting the contents across the tabletop. So you can see the Nike Benassi JDI slide in the white Varsity Royal colorway. So it does come with a card hanger, and just setting that down on the right hand side of the frame. And let's focus on the left foot or left slide of the pair. So giving you a look at this very high contrast and bright white with that Varsity Royal blue Nike logo or branding on the foot strap. So this pair is in a UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44. So just giving you an all-round look at this slide. Starting from the front, so you can see the thickness of that foam sole. So it's a one-piece sole with nubs on the inner surface or insole, as you can see right there. And there's a Nike branding on the sole or insole, and just looking through towards the heel area. So it does have a slight concave insole, and taking a look at the sides, you can see there are some contours around the midsole. So the entire sole is a one-piece design made from foam. And just taking a look around, and there is of course a tag right there. Okay, so just putting that tag aside and taking a look at the bottom or outsole of this Nike Benassi JDI. So there are grooves right across the entire sole in a wave-like pattern mostly, and some straight grooves or channels around the heel and the ball or big toe area. And just giving you a look as to the material. So rather stiff with a little bit of flex, so quite firm. And just giving you that look right there in regards to the depth of the tread and overall design of this slide. So it's nice to see there are shoulder grooves that channel water along the sides of the sole. And taking a look at the foot strap. So super smooth upper surface or cover. And on the inside it is quite squishy with a nice almost memory foam like feel. Just showing you another angle if possible, and there is that product label as well on the underside or inside of that foot strap. So nice soft material right there with a very fine weave pattern to the textile or fabric. And you can see there is quite consistent stitching right across the front and around the edges of the foot strap. And this time around giving you a much closer surface view of the upper sole area with the very pronounced nubs, which provide some level of massaging, and just giving you some idea as to the hardness or density and cushioning of this sole. So just pressing down, you can see it is rather hard, even though I'm only just applying pressure with my thumb, just pressing down on the various parts of the sole or upper insole, and giving you some idea as to the hardness around the edges as well. Just pressing down, giving you that look, and I'm using and applying quite a fair amount of pressure. And let's take a look at the sole area. So pretty hard material or foam for this Nike Benassi JDI slide. So giving you that complete all-round look right around this slide, and of course on the underside as well. And in terms of the flex or stiffness, right there, giving you some sense of the flexibility of this slide. So pretty firm and dense with that foam sole that's fully molded as a one piece, and of course with that strap as a separate component. Okay, now let's take a look at the right slide. So giving you a look at this right slide, and I'm going to set the other slide and do a bit of reshuffling with the items so they don't interfere too much with the foreground as we focus on the right slide. So giving you once again that look, but this time around with the right slide, and you can see the kind of diamond or geometric pattern, which is actually quite smooth on the foot strap, and with a very high gloss Nike logo and swoosh or Nike branding, and giving you a look to the, once again, the flexibility and denseness or impact absorption and cushioning of this foam sole, one piece sole. And with that very super soft inner lining on the foot strap right there to provide comfort, and that very chunky and dense molded sole. Okay, and just taking a look at the pair together, the Nike Benassi JDI in white Varsity Royal colorway. And take a look at the bottom or sole of the slides together right there. The Nike branding below, and the straight and wavy grooves, and of course the shoulder channels to channel water and disperse it away from the outsole. Okay. So that's the Nike Benassi JDI. Thanks for watching and happy walking!